Good day, everyone. You're welcome to Forex Empire. Let me quickly talk to you about the copy trading program, real quick. All right, so you're welcome to Forex Empire once again. I will be showing you how our copy trading program works and how you can participate in it. All right, so the first thing you need to note is that at Forex Empire we have four different traders. Right, four different traders that work at Forex Empire, and each of us, I am one of the traders, right? And each of us is a premium trader. When I say a premium trader, a trader that can build a very small amount to a very big amount. For example, I personally, I have built $20 to $5,000 before, and I was able to achieve that within 3 weeks. $20 to $5,000. I achieved that within 3 weeks. All right, so at Forex Empire also, we do not allow we do not set a target for ourselves. We allow the market decide our profit. Right? We don't say this is the amount we want to make today. You understand? It is only when we've seen the conditions you are looking for in the market, right, that we can really take a trade. So when we place a trade, I mean, it's mostly always go positive towards our way. Okay, so let's quickly talk about how we place trades at Forex Empire, right? Forex is not 100%, right? But at Forex Empire, we have tried to make Forex 100% for ourselves, right? Such that we are always able to trade in such a way that we almost we are always able to skip or escape losses, right? And the most important thing is that we do not end a single day in loss. Now, how do we make, or like how are all these things possible? How did we come by to achieve all these kind of results? We don't trade everything in the market, right? There are certain conditions we wait for before we jump into a trade. We don't just jump into a trade, right? There are certain conditions we wait for. If those conditions are not met, we do not trade, right? Even if it means not trading in a particular day, then we would not have to trade until we have met up with that, until we have seen those conditions. Now, remember I said we have four traders at Forex Empire, right? Yeah, we have four traders at Empire. However, already each trader is already a premium trader on his own. You know, each trader is already a premium trader on his own. But one other thing we do is that when one of us spots a likely profitable entry, the first thing we do is we bring it to the table, right? Each person is already a premium trader. Each person is a guru on his own. Yet we bring it to the table, then we analyze the trade. Then we decide together if we should actually place that trade or not. For example, this Boom 1000 trade, for example, I was the one who spotted the trade, right? I spoke to my others about it. We brought it to the table, and yeah, we look at it right here. We were able to place the trade. Right, we all decided that okay, fine. Boom 1000 has hit uh, an extreme oversold region, right? So we've gotten every condition that we need to get, suggesting that there will be a long buy. We came together and suggested that okay, fine, this has already happened. Now we placed this trade. Right, let me show you this particular trade on 5 minutes, so you see how long the trade has actually gone. Right, you can see how far it has gone. Right, and you see that we entered at a very strategic point. We entered exactly at the point where the buy started happening. Now, for those of you who already understand Forex or how Forex works, or you have a little knowledge about Forex and all of that, I'm very sure you understand what I'm saying right here. But if you are a newbie to Forex and you don't understand most of these things I'm saying, right, just know that this kind of trade that you are seeing right now, right, it has gone very far and it is giving so much profit, right? Yeah, I'm going to talk about this account real quick, but I don't want to bother you about it. This is a different thing entirely. Okay, look at this single movement. See what it is giving us around here, right? We can show you more and more of them, right? Crash 1000. You get. We always have to wait. We always have to wait for those conditions to be met. Until those conditions are met, we will not place the trade, right? We will not place the trade until those conditions are met. We will not place the trade. So we always take extremely long entries only, right? If I'm to show you our movements, what we have captured on this volatility 10 index, right? We will not be able to do that on 30 minutes because this has really sold too long, right? This is a trade that has been running for more than 2 weeks now, right? For me to show you this, we need to go to 4 hours time frame for you to be able to capture how we can see it now. The trade is so long that you cannot see it on 30 minutes. It's not possible. You cannot see it on 1 hour, right? You need to go to 4 hours before you can actually see the trade, right? Okay, so let me not bother you about all of this. All right, let me do this real quick. Oh, sorry, let me just quickly do this. Let's tweak. All right. Okay, so um what do we do from here, right? This is exactly how we are going to be trading on your account, right? We only trade major zones at Forex Empire, only major zones. So meaning that no matter what happens, number one, we will not end a single day in loss. That's number one. Then number two, even though Forex is not 100%, at Forex Empire, we have found a way to make Forex 100% for ourselves, right? And number three, another important thing is the fact that we always wait for setups, right? We don't trade everything we see in the market, right? We don't trade every single setup, right? We always have to wait. To the extreme. If we have to wait for 2 days, if you have to wait for 1 week, we are going to wait, right? All right. So what's the guarantee? The guarantee is the fact that at least every single day you will be making at least $200 on your account, right? Let's go again. I'll take that again, right? Every single day we will be making $200, at least minimum of $200 on your account. So how do we move? Now this is all you need to do, right? For you to participate, there are three things you need. The first thing you need is a Forex account, right? What we trade at Forex Empire is a deriv synthetic. So you need to create a deriv Forex account. If you chat with us on WhatsApp, we'll show you exactly how to trade a deriv. Exactly how to create a deriv synthetic Forex account. That's because that's exactly what we trade. You understand? So you create a Forex account, then you must have a capital of $500. You must have a capital of $500. So what are we going to do with your $500 capital? At first, you need to erase the mindset of quickly withdrawing profit from your account. Why? We need to build your account first of all. You understand? We need to build your account. If you fund your account with $500, right? We want to build your account to $1,200. First of all, I'll take that again. You fund your account with $500. So we are going to trade the account and build it up to $1,200. Now, when we build it up to $1,200, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to withdraw $200 from the 1,200. That $200 you are withdrawing is not for you. You're not doing anything with it. You're going to fund the $200 again into two different MT5 accounts, we'll teach you all of this. You're going to talk to the admin and we'll teach you how to do all of this, right? You're going to get two extra MT5 accounts, right? um I don't know your nationality, but deriv allows you to create more than one MT5 account. So you can have two MT5 accounts. You can have two MT5 accounts. You can have three MT5 accounts, right? So you're going to withdraw $200 and fund $100 in one MT5 account, $100 in the second MT5 account, while we are going to have how much left in premium the principal account. The principal account is going to have how much left? It's going to have $1,000 left, right? So you have $1,000 in one account, then $100 in account B, and $100 in account C. So what do we want to do? So we'll be using account B and C, those two accounts with $100. We'll be trading them every day, and those are the accounts. We'll grow them up to an extent first. Now those are the accounts from which you are going to be withdrawing. You're going to be getting at least a profit of $200 every single day. We'll be withdrawing that profit and sharing every single day. You understand? We are not trading for fun at Forex Empire. Of course, all these things we are going to do for you. You understand? We are going to share profit at some point. You understand? So every single day on those two small accounts, you must make not less than $200 every single day, right? So we are going to trade major zones. We are going to do our analysis. The four of us come together, give you the best of the best, blah blah blah, and all of that. However, we are going to share profit on those two small accounts. So what happens to the $1,000 account? You see, your $1,000 account is meant for building. You understand? You need to forget about that account. We want to build that account. We want to build that account from $1,000 to $10,000, and above like that. Look at what happened here, for example, right? Look at what happened here, for example. This is a different thing entirely, actually. You can see a profit of 198,000, right? A profit of 198,000. You understand? It was achieved from day-to-day building. You understand? When you want to do something like that, you don't withdraw from such account frequently. You just leave it there and keep on building. So we want to actually build. This project deals with building this account for you. First of all, from 500 to 1,200, you withdraw $200, put into accounts, two MT5 accounts. We trade those accounts again with our copy trading again, right? So we trade those two accounts. Those are the accounts from which you will be withdrawing profit every day. Don't worry, you will end every single day in profit. You understand? Two heads are better than one, right? But we are not even two, we are four, and each trader already on his own is a premium Forex trader, a profitable premium Forex trader, right? So we take our time, right? We take our time. We know how to, like, we are very good, you understand? And we are actually profitable. You get the point? Yeah. So after this being said, so don't forget your $1,000 account. We want to grow that account to a significant amount. It's not like we are just going to keep on growing. At some point, you're going to share profit, right? Probably when we hit $5,000, maybe you withdraw $1,000 and share $1,000. Then we'll pick it up from 4,000 again to $10,000. We'll share about 2,000 again. We just want that account to grow, right? Let that account just keep on growing every single day, right? Let it just keep on growing. We want to build that account to 10,000, and from 10,000, more and more again. Let it just keep on going higher and higher again. So that is that about the plan. Now I hope you've gotten this copy trading plan already. So that's exactly how the copy trading plan is supposed to work, right? Now, what do you need to participate? You need. We already spoke about. We talked about your Forex account. You need a deriv Forex account, right? You need a deriv Forex account as the first thing you need. If you don't know how to go about that, don't bother yourself. We will teach you. We'll give you the link with which you register. Um, Chat with us on WhatsApp and we'll explain exactly how to go about this to you. That's the first thing you need. Number two, you need to have a $500 minimum trading. You need to have a $500 capital which you are going to fund, and we will trade for you. You don't need to know anything about forex, right? Learning forex is a lot. Learning forex is a very long process, right? That's not what we are trying to do here. We want to just trade for you and make good capital for you, so you don't waste your money, and you get a very sure way, to make money. You understand? This is the third batch, right? This is the third batch, so we are starting all over again. So make sure you jump into this batch and get what's it called? Now, aside that, the other things we want to do is you're going to be paying. If you read our landing page, on our landing page, we stated it there that you will have to pay $100 startup fee. You understand? We need this $100 for something, right? When you give us your account, we are not trading your account personally. You understand? We are connecting your account to our copy trading platform. You understand? We have a copy trading platform. We connect your account to our copy trading platform. So on this copy trading platform, you understand? Because we can't trade if you guys are much. Let's say we want to trade for 100%, for example. We cannot trade for 100% personally. You understand? We can't trade individually, so we have to connect all these accounts. It's actually possible to connect all those accounts to a principal account that you trade. Now, this principal account you are trading, whatever trade you place on that account, whatever you do on that account will reflect on every other client account. You understand? We call them client account or servant account. They will call the principal account the master account. So that's how copy trading works, right? But you have your assurance you will not lose your funds no matter what, right? Because of the way we trade, we take our time and trade with care, right? All right, so you need to pay $100. And why do you need to pay $100? There's something called VPS, right? Some people know what VPS is, others might not know. We cannot connect your account to the principal account if you don't have a VPS. So this VPS is something that we need to buy. You understand? We need to buy the VPS. It costs about €87. You understand? So you need to buy the VPS, subscribe for the VPS. That's one. Then number two, our copy trading software is not those free versions that you see out there. Those free versions are not strong. We have copy trading softwares, but they are not strong. Most of them they will just give you issues along the line. You understand? And you don't want to lose your money. You don't want anything to happen to your money. We're talking about big money here. You understand? So we are working with a company that is offering us a privately built copy trading software. So that's what we are connecting to. We pay for that also. So this is why you have to pay $100. So you pay $100 and you get your account connected. You get your $500 account connected. All you just need to do is to cross your arms and follow instructions, right? Even though you are seeing big money in your account, once we have not told you to withdraw, don't go ahead to withdraw, right? We will always reach out to you, right, to proceed to withdraw. You understand? We'll tell you when to withdraw, so you don't have to go behind and start withdrawing and all of that. No, make sure you stick to the plan. This plan is a big plan. We're trying to build $500 to a huge sum of funds, right? $500 to 1,000, then 1,000 to 5,000, then 5,000 to $10,000. You understand? So you don't have to don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry. Forex does not work like that. You need to calm down, right? So that's why we're giving you the option of two smaller accounts. From there, you'll be withdrawing every single day, so that